Meet Evo BOT. This self-balancing autonomous robot is set to revolutionize logistics sector. What makes Evo BOT unique is its underlying principle and inversed pendulum. This cutting-edge design eliminates the need for an external counterweight, resulting in a space-saving and lightweight unit. Evo BOT has two powered wheels at the bottom. With its two arms equipped with inward-facing disc-shaped grip pads, its dynamic stability maintains constant balance. This powerhouse can lift objects weighing up to 220 pounds, reach a top speed of 37 miles per hour, and deliver a strong braking effect. Equipped with a range of sensors and localization algorithms, Evo BOT can adapt to different environments and tasks in real time. It's able to perform on various and uneven surfaces, including inclines, making it extremely adaptable. And with a single charge, Evo BOT can offer up to 8 hours of work, making it an optimal choice for a variety of indoor and outdoor tasks. Its functionality isn't just limited to transport or loading. It could assist with cleaning, servicing, and potentially serve as a companion robot for the elderly or individuals with disabilities. Evo BOT reshaping the future of logistics and assistance. Thank you for watching.